See, this has been brought to me, to my notice by a couple of people. I had a call with the traffic PI, Kalutami ulele asa तेंचे कडेन. They have tried to make implement a one by queue system so that each road gets a certain amount of time. I've asked them to manually manage it at peak hours so that there is some kind of relief to the people that have to wait in long queues. The traffic department is on this job and जाता तितले बेगीन resolve करपा खातीर आमी सांगलेलें आसा. It has been just, I think, less than 1 week since they have made this new change. It's a matter of getting used to and adjustment. Somebody told me that ती line जी आसा ती बरीच लांब जाता आनी peak hours म्हटल्यार दनपारां 1 स्कुलाच्या वेळार आनी इवनिंग 5:30 संक सुमार थंय भरपूर गर्दी जाता. वयली line म्हाका दिसता right from coming up towards the court. I think the line reaches almost old municipality at some point of time. So तेंचे जाता तितले बेगीन एग्जामीन करचें आनी हेजेर खंय तरी एक रिलीफ हाडचें हें म्हाजें मागणें आसा. At the same time, we have to also look at how we can minimize the congestion at the circle when people are trying to get across to other sides. पयलीं आमी दोनूय लेन सोडटाले तेन्ना सर्कला कडेन खंय तरी एक क्यू सिस्टम जातालें आनी कन्फ्युजन जातालें. त्या कारणाक let the traffic department find a best solution to this.
But then the same department is not taking action against the illegal vehicles which are directly being parked. There's no.
No, I have asked them to resolve the same thing. It is not only that the traffic lights are causing the issue. On the turns, there are vehicles that are standing. If you're going towards St. Xavier's College, there are vehicles parked on either side of the road. I said to me, खंय तरी तेजेर or make sure that during peak hours at least the entire road is cleared. कित्याक आतां स्कुलाच्या वेळार parents also are waiting to pick up their kids. There is a growing number of vehicles on the road. पावसा कारणाक two-wheeler कमी वापर जाता, four-wheeler चड use जाता. So there are a few adjustments that need to be made. Let them come back to me with this within the next few days, and I hope we can resolve this on a priority.
Do you think it was done, the decision to have one way was implemented without proper study? Because if proper study was then these other issues about this parking of vehicles and other things could have been tackled.
The one way you're saying?
Yeah, only the one-way signal.
One-way signal. Yeah. So the reason brought to me was there was a lot of congestion happening at the circle. So somebody who wanted to go right was being blocked by somebody who was coming, and ती line थंय लोकांक वेळ लागतालो. They were getting stuck because of that. So let them come back to me. See, some things we have to do a trial and error system. आमकां खबर आहा that is one of the oldest junctions in Mapsa municipal area, आनी थंयसून right from a police operator back about 20-30 years. Today we have signals. Last 1.5 years ago आमकां थंय signal नासतना आमकां खबर आसा कितले त्रास जाल्ले आसा. So we have evolved through this entire system. Now we have a good set of working signals, but let them come back to me on this with a proper solution.
But then most of the signals have become a white elephant. There are so many signals which have just been installed and not being used also because of some wrong decisions.
Yeah, because some people, Hutatma Chowk, there is no, some people feel there is no need for the signal. The same thing happens here in the evenings at Gandhi Chowk, where the roundabout ideally is supposed to be free for all other traffic to move. But खूब लोकांक खबर ना की तेंकां दिसता थंय कोण ना म्हूण थंय वचून रावचें आसता. The idea of a roundabout is to make sure that you stop before the roundabout. The roundabout is supposed to be free. सगळ्यांक थंय डिसिजन घेवपाक की खंयच्या डायरेक्शनान वयचें. So the traffic is supposed to stop at all entry points of the roundabout to ensure the roundabout is free. But खंय तरी हांगा तशें लोकांक आजुनूय people are not used to that thing, or they do not understand how the roundabout is supposed to function. आनी ह्या गांधी चौका कडेन आमकां खबर आसा दोनूय बस स्टँड हांगाच जावन आसा आनी सांजच्या वेळार interstate बसी येतात, normal buses येतात, local buses येतात, and that creates a lot of traffic in this area. So let me get back to you all with whatever decision the traffic has done to ensure that there is a smooth flow of traffic during the peak hours.
My name is Joravar. I am from Goa. Okay. And the question even the media was asking me why I am getting fined. So everybody is right, I think, in this, that cops are also doing their job by giving fines. But outside Mapsa High Court, there is no parking. Inside it is for only for judges and their officials. And outside there is a road. There is no parking. There was a colony, but inside the colony also outsiders are not allowed to park. And there is a high line till 1-2 kilometers. I think this line is. So people have parked this way, and there is no other option. So what to do now? This is a question, what to do, where to park. We will get fined because we have and I can't park like 2 kilometers ahead somewhere in that the GMC, I think, Hospicio district hospital. I can't park there and come, and nearby there is no parking. So I think we all are right in this. They are parking on the side so that their job is done, and the cops are giving fine. So I think government should do something. Yeah. Okay. Even this road should be broadened up, I feel. Broaden this road because their gates are come out. So do something like that.
अरे विचार पाहिजे किती आता तू तांबडे आम्हाला
हां चालेल.
ओके सांग ट्रॅफिकाचे बद्दल कितें म्हणूंक सोदताय तूं?
चिंता की हे सगळें करतना एक दिसान कांयच जायना. हे कितें कंटिन्युअस करशी जाल्यार क्लियर जातलें. ना तर कोणाकूय न्ही ते सदां लोकांक कितें आहा संवय जाल्ली पार्किंग कर बस.
अरे बाबा तुका सिग्नल कशें दिसतले सिग्नल कशें दिसतले एका फायन आहा झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग लोक चलन कशें वयतले तो लायन क्रॉस करप ना स्टॉप लायन.
कंटिन्यू जोर से मारेगा. मार
चलो ऐसा ऐसा मारते रहो. वो नहीं, करो.